Hi everybody, welcome back. So for the next topic, we're going to do the one with 56%, which is multiplicative property of equality with fractions. Alrighty. So when you see a fraction multiplied by a variable, all you need to do is flip the fraction and multiply it to both sides. So that would be its multiplicative inverse, which means I'm just flipping this fraction. And why do I do that? Because I'm going to get 1, right? And then over here, and if it helps, you can write this over 1 so you know that you're multiplying straight across. In any case, these are, it's really 40 divided by 40. Okay. And then for this one, we just divide 35 by 5 and we get 7. So x is equal to 56. All right, let's try another. So same thing here. Now, I don't have to necessarily multiply both sides by the reciprocal of 6 over 5. I could just literally do u equals 42 multiplied by 5 over 6. And usually with problems like this, we can easily factor out something to make it simpler. We usually make the problems that way. So then 7 times 5 is 35. At least I thought so the last time I checked. Let's do another one. So 30 multiplied by 7 over 6 is equal to u. And if I divide this out, I'm going to get 5. And so my result is 35 is equal to u, or u is equal to 35. Doesn't matter which way you write it, but we do like to have the variable on the left and the result on the right. And so you already know what to do. V is equal to 20 multiplied by 9 over 5. And it usually works out this way where we can divide something out. We can factor some things out. And this would be 36. Success. So as always, thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time.